Hey, I'm Santima.
And I'm Eric.
And welcome to At Home with Jasper. Now today we are in Lowe's and we are working on a home project. So
Another beautiful DIY, and we are doing a TV wall with Fireplace. It is going to be beautiful. We are in here to select our material. Yeah, we got our list, we got our specs. We're going to bring you guys on the journey. It's going to be an amazing journey because you guys are going to love the finished product.
we have some materials that we put together and it looks really, really nice so far for what we've put together. I'm going to show you our mood board. Our mood board, we put some tile together and we matched it with the color of what our living room is, the aesthetic of the living room. So right now we are about to go and check out some of these materials. Where we're going first?
We're going to look at this beautiful tile we found, and it goes very well with our existing decor in our living room. So yeah, we're gonna show you that.
Okay, so let's head over. This is the tile right here that we're going to be using. It's pretty big. It is a 25 by 48 and it is going to fill up that area of the wall for our fireplace.
That's going to be the face of the fireplace.
And that's going to be the face.
It's going to be the face, and we have an existing shelf to go along with that. That's going to skirt around the bottom of the fireplace and go out to make another. You know what? I'm not going to tell them that yet. Save that. Yeah, I'm not going to.
So we are forgetting something. We need to go get a cart. So we're going to get a cart. Okay, so we have the materials that we need to get. So the first thing we needed to get was
tile.
The tile, and the tile that we got is a 24 by 48 inch.
Carrot
so
tile.
That's checked off. That's a check mark.
Yep.
Then we have the grout. So we checked that off the list. Okay, we got screws. We got drywall screws.
We got wood screws.
Okay, we checked that off the list. We got lumber.
Yes, 2x4s.
2x4s.
2x6s.
2x6s.
We have some 1x6s.
1x6s.
And drywall.
And drywall.
So we got everything.
And how many boards of drywall did we need for this project?
We got I got 2 sheets. Don't think it's going to quite take 2 sheets, but
so we got 2 sheets to account for extra. But we're always doing a project around the house, so we'll definitely need that for something else. So I think we have everything marked off the list.
I think we got it.
Okay.
Now I get to go buy me a tool.
All right, now let's go take this back to the house. Hey, we're outside in our little outside workshop, and we are about to make some wall cuts to put on our fireplace wall. And so today we have our specs. My husband, amazing blueprint.
By an artist.
Artist.
Myself. It's beautiful. Just don't zoom in.
Artist.
Artist.
These are his specs. I'm not sure if I could read them, but he said he can, so we're gonna leave him with that.
I'll translate.
He has pre-made some lines here so we can get started on these boards. So we're gonna go off of his layout, his design for the fireplace, and let's get started.
Absolutely. So first we got our slates that's going to go on the back wall. This is going to be the support. This is going to be our anchor boards. These 3 right here. We're going to mount these first. These are going to tie into the studs across our width, which is 80 and 7/8 for us. It gives us our framing dimensions so we can build up to our tile dimensions to give us our overall. So yeah, this is our backer board, and then we're going into the frame. We're going to extend it out with the 2x4s. This is a 1x6, and it's a beautiful piece of wood, but it will be hidden. You ready? You gonna make this cut?
I'm gonna make this cut. Okay, so let's slide over here and let's make some cuts happen.
With
all right,
safety
so
glasses.
Here's our first cut. And my husband always makes sure that we have our safety glasses on. Anything that has to do with a cut.
For the most part.
Right. So, let's get into it.
Great cut. Great cut. Great job. Great cut. We're doing that over.
All right, so that was a... Okay. All right, let's take 2. All right, so we went ahead, we made those cuts that we needed to start.
Everything has been cut, and Barbie the builder here cut everything down with precision. Everything she cut. We are ready to go, so we're gonna go inside and we're gonna mount these on the wall. Show you guys what's next.
All right, let's go. Okay, so we are here where the media fireplace is gonna go. We have already made the cuts, so we're bringing them in now. And yeah, we're gonna get this party started.
Okay, we have wrapped up day one yesterday.
So this is the focal point of our living room, and the fireplace that we previously had on here was just like,
it got us here.
It got us here.
We're not going to talk bad about the old fireplace.
It got us here. It did.
We had a lot of small situations around it, a lot of moving.
A lot of nice entertainment.
It was a beautiful thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, we can't knock the little teensy winksy. But for today, we are ready to move forward. We're going to get the rest of this framing on the lip done. Mm-hmm. We're going to drywall, and we're going to show you guys some progress today.
Yeah, more progress coming your way. Drywall is being installed. We're excited for the end result, and I hope you are too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for the next video.